Trekking in the Himalayas to Everest Base Camp is a beautiful physical challenge with stunning visual rewards. But it is the peaceful inner journey that makes this trip special and leaves you filled with awe. Kathmandu is the heart of Nepal. It's a perfect pushing off point for the journey ahead.
Every day was just to wake up and get on the trail and just find out what's next.
It wasn't like we were trekking along and it was business. It was more like you were trekking along with an old friend.
Trekking is about discovery. We take care of all the details so you are free to absorb and enjoy the incredible places you're in.
The Sherpas that took care of us just did an awesome job. It was just 5-star service. It felt great.
I can't describe how service-oriented they are, how willing they are to go above and beyond to help you.
How happy they are, how much they smiled and took care of us, and it was a joy to be around them. I mean, they really, really enjoyed their work.
They had a lot of local knowledge and stories to share from their experiences growing up here, which was very valuable.
A journey to the Himalayas wouldn't be complete without a connection to the guides and people who make this country unforgettable.
Some trekkers are really enjoy with the culture and religious. When they really enjoy, I am really happy.
I mean, every day I loved.
The culture and the way people lived here is unbelievable. I would come back just to be able to see that again.
Part of the culture are the mani stones that line the trails. Countlessly reciting the prayer carved on these rocks is the foundation of their spiritual inner peace and compassion for others.
It was a complete eye-opener to see the people here, the Nepali people, the Sherpa people, what a noble and giving culture they have established, and the willingness to take in foreigners such as ourselves.
Everest Base Camp was really my goal, and just to see it in person, having seen it on TV, haven't seen it on movies, haven't seen it in documentaries, to see it live in person was amazing.
Travel brings experience, awareness, and meaning to our lives. The Himalayas bring awe on a grand scale.